Right, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your live account and also show you the multiple different ways you can fund that live account, from bank transfer to credit card, also to cryptocurrency. Now, also before I jump into that, I'll give you a brief overlook of Puprime and explain to you quickly how this is the broker for you. Now, before I jump in, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Right, here we have it. We have Puprime. The link will be down in the description for you to head on over to this website and create your live account for you. Now, if you are looking for a demo account, check out our previous video, how to create a demo account. But as we can see here, is your preferred online broker. Trade with a trusted, regulated, world-leading broker that offers more than trading. Now, obviously, regulated and trusted is the major things in here, and their reviews speak for themselves. I'll be showing you a quick glance of them very shortly. But what we can see is they have over 600,000 active clients, 1,000 different trading products, multiple regulatory licenses, and a fully customizable 24/7 customer support. Okay, they have over 200 countries serviced, and they also have a copy trader there. So if you are new and you just want to copy some of the best traders in the industry, you have that feature with them. Now, here are the reviews. We have a 4.7 on Google, 4.4 on Trustpilot, 4.8 App Store, and a 4.8 on reviews on Google Play. Now, the biggest thing for me, and the reason why I chose Puprime as my trading profile, is because of the gold spread. So if you see the spreads here, they are some of the lowest you will see in the market. 0.1 spread on gold is ridiculous. Like, I have never seen that before. And looking at this broker, the spreads is one of the biggest things in trading that you would have to think. But let's get to the main bulk of this video. So creating live account. Simply scroll down, click on create live account, or if you have an account, simply sign in. But here we have it. So obviously I'm in the United Kingdom. I'll put in my first name, my email, a password and referral code, and I will go create account. Now, once you've created your account, it will look something like this. Okay, so once you've logged into your account, you will be faced with their brand new portal. And on the left hand side, we'll see accounts. Now, obviously I don't have a live account because I want to show you exactly how to do it. Then all we have to do is simply click open account, and you have to do a verification. What a pain in the ass. Right, now welcome to your brand new customer portal with Puprime. Now, once you're in here, you simply have to click on accounts, and then in the right hand side will be open account. Now, with live account, nice and simple. They do recommend MetaTrader 5. I personally recommend it as well, but you can choose MetaTrader 4 if you prefer that way. So simply click on MetaTrader 5. I always recommend standard account, but you can choose from the different ones. Obviously, you can look them up or follow one of the videos previously done. I always like to put GBP because that's where I'm from. And then simply click the box there to agree to their terms and conditions. Please read through the terms and conditions before you click it. But obviously, where I've had other accounts, I know their terms and conditions. And then simply press submit. Okay, so your additional live account is being set up and you'll receive your email shortly. Login details will be sent to that email as well. So you can check the review status from the homepage. And if I click on that, it will then come up with processing. And that's it. Nice and done. Please note you do have to go through the verification stages of Puprime before having access to a live account. But for funds, you can simply click on the funds. And like I said, you can do either cryptocurrency, your credit card from e-wallet, a local bank transfer, or even an international bank transfer. I always personally do cryptocurrency or credit card because they are instant, or they only take 1 hour. So it's nice and simple, nice and secure. And that is exactly how you can create your live account in less than 5 minutes. And there you have it. That is exactly how you can create your live account in under 5 minutes. Now, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.